mind-blowing that I created this that you're about to watch using a simple sentence, and I only used one tool.
Welcome to our fruity song. Apples are crunchy, red and sweet. A super healthy, yummy treat.
This Faceless Kids nursery rhyme video about airport safety.
Mommy, daddy, baby too. At the airport, it's true.
It was posted about 2 months ago and it already has racked up over 2 million views. Now the channel that posted this video has only been on YouTube for about 2 years, but it already has over 10 million subscribers. And according to vidIQ, it's pulling in about $12,000 on the low side, and this is per day. Let me show you how to create these type of videos, and we're gonna do it in minutes. And we're gonna use the latest version of Invideo AI, which is version 4. Now to try Invideo AI version 4, I've placed a link at the top of the fold in the description. And step 1 is right here on the Invideo AI homepage, as I'm showing you on screen. You're gonna go ahead and click Create AI Video, and you're gonna make sure, as I'm showing you here, version 4 is what's selected. In the text box, you're gonna enter a simple prompt like this one that I'm entering here. Create a catchy nursery rhyme about the benefits of fruits in cartoon style. Yes, it's as simple as that. Let's go ahead and click Generate Video. And let's move to step 2. Within seconds, as you can see here, we'll be prompted, and we're gonna choose things like our video duration, as I'm doing here. We're also gonna select the platform that we are creating content for, which is YouTube Kids. And we're also gonna pick the media type. And here, we're gonna choose Ultra, as I'm doing here on screen. Once we've selected our options, we're gonna click Generate. And for YouTube, I'm gonna recommend that for your songs or your nursery rhymes, you keep them in the region of about 2 minutes. Because as we know, kids' attention span is not that great. This is what our video looks like.
Quack, quack. Welcome to our fruity song. Apples are crunchy, red and sweet. A super healthy, yummy treat. They help you run and jump and play. Eat an apple every day. Oh, fruits, fruits are rainbow bright. Full of goodness day and night. From your head down to your shoes. Eating fruit is happy news. Bananas give you energy to climb a mountain or a tree. With potassium you'll feel so strong, singing a happy, healthy song. Oh, fruits, fruits are rainbow bright. Full of goodness day and night. From your head down to your shoes. Eating fruit is happy news. Oranges with vitamin C keep you healthy, you and me. They help you fight the sniffles away, so you can go outside and play. Fruits, 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 hooray for fruits.
If you think that that's amazing, I want you to let me know in the comments by simply writing wow. Now, once you're happy with your video, we're simply gonna download and export it as I'm showing you how to do here on screen. Let's talk about how you can actually make money with these videos once you have created them using Invideo AI. You're obviously gonna need a YouTube channel, and you're gonna need to create a Google account unless you already have one. And if you have a Gmail email, you already have a Google account. You're gonna visit YouTube as I'm showing you here on screen, and you're gonna click the profile image and then create channel, and you're gonna enter the name of your Faceless channel. Now, you may not know what to call your Faceless channel, and that's okay. What you can do is on ChatGPT, as I'm showing you here, you can actually share your niche and ask ChatGPT for channel channel name ideas that are available, and I'm sure you'll be able to find something, or you can regenerate until you find an option that you like. I did this for the financial education niche, as I'm showing you here, and these are some of the ideas that were presented, and I think some of them are pretty good. Now next, you want to add a profile photo, but because this is a faceless channel, this can be a logo. Now we're gonna ask ChatGPT to give us an AI image generation prompt for a logo for the channel name that we have selected. And then you can hop over to Kittle, and I'm gonna put the Kittle link in the description of this video, and you can use Kittle free to generate at least one logo. But this image prompt that we are going to get from ChatGPT will describe the logo based on the name you just got and your niche. I'll copy and paste the description here in the Kittle command box, and here are some of the logos that were generated based on the channel name that I selected. Now, if you have the paid version of ChatGPT, you can go ahead and select image, as I'm showing you here on screen, and then you can paste the same AI image generation prompt. And you want to make sure that that prompt says 3D in there to get a layered logo. And as you can see here, ChatGPT is going to give you image options, and you can keep regenerating until you get one that you like. Now for your channel banner, from the Kittle homepage, select templates and then social here. From the menu, select YouTube banners. Choose a design or a color scheme that matches your niche or brand. As you can see here from Kittle, you get a starter kit for your channel. For the channel banner template, we will upload our logo that we created using Kittle and add it here. And here you can just write something relevant to your channel, like financial education that transforms lives. You can also use ChatGPT to get you a slogan if you are not sure what to write here. Let's download our banner by selecting just the banner artboard from the download options here. Now for your channel description, which goes right here on YouTube, give ChatGPT your channel name and what you're going to be talking about on this channel, and ask it to give you a profile description for YouTube. And we're going to copy what we get. You can modify it as you see fit, and we're going to paste it here on YouTube. Let's also add the channel banner that we created using Kittle right here on YouTube. We will add the logo we created as well here, where it says picture. Next, we will enter our channel name here, which is Moneyversity TV. We will then add our channel handle, which is also Moneyversity TV. But because that handle is not available on YouTube, we will make it Moneyversity 2.0. And now your YouTube branding is complete for the most part. Basically, you have enough to start with. Now let's talk monetization. To join the YouTube Partner Program, we're gonna need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and you're gonna need to have those watch hours in a 12-month period. Now, once you get accepted, you'll earn ad revenue from your videos as YouTube places ads on them automatically. The key here is to be consistent and post anywhere from 2 to 3 videos per week. Remember, these videos are short. And in doing so, build a library which is actually going to build your reach. You're likely not going to get to mind-blowing money in the short term. But as someone who has more than one channel monetized in a relatively short time on YouTube, I can tell you that it's definitely possible. Now, to create nursery rhymes and kids song videos using Invideo AI, you'll need to subscribe to the Invideo AI generative plan, which starts at $100 a month. That's actually the plan that I use, and it's actually going to provide more than enough credits to create multiple videos and to execute this strategy that I'm sharing. And yes, I know that $100 per month is an investment, but compared to the 5 different tools that I used to use before and the time wasted switching between them, this is a no-brainer if you're serious about monetizing kids content on a platform like YouTube.